This is the second spot. We had ginginha. This is called ginginha. Ginginha. Okay. All right. I can see myself drinking a lot of that.
Wait for the explanation first. Come closer, guys. Come here. Grab one glass. Don't drink it yet. Just hold it. Just hold it. Little bit strong, maybe. The wine they can. So we normally drink both the water wine and the champagne as the drink. And also the port wine.
Really,
but that one maybe
really
you're
good.
not allowed to drink it.
Really good.
The port wine.
I'm sorry.
I think I'll be coming back for more of that.
I need to check. So, I will show you what we had. We had the marmalade, which is this one. If you want to make your own Romeo and Juliet at home. Do you remember how Romeo and Juliet ended?
Yes, it's tragic.
Yeah. He killed it. Like, the Saint George cheese. So they can also cut, of course, you don't have to buy them whole. And we have this one, the craft, the tonic. And then look where all the vintage port wines are. Up there, out of range. It's very expensive.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's like heaven. Isn't it?
Which one was it? It was this one? Cool.
And many local people still come here to do their shopping.
Right.
I didn't actually hear what it was about, so.
And at the bottom, you see, those are sour cherries.
Sour cherries, okay.
So, yeah, so you drink it. Extra one.
That was quite tasty. This is the second spot. We had ginginha. This is called ginginha. Ginginha. Okay. All right. I can see myself drinking a lot of that. I may have to come back after the tour and have some more here. That stuff was pretty good. Pretty good. After we finish up at the Ginginha bar, we take a stroll over to another spot. After those drinks, I'm starting to feel some kind of way, so let's get a bite to eat. We arrived to Salar da Maranhão. Here you're able to order some snacks or sandwiches. I had the bifana, which is a Portuguese pork sandwich. Add a little mustard and hot sauce, and you get a quick filling snack. Cool.
Oh, there, yeah, by the window, you can see what I was You can see Isabel and the pot with all the meat. So they it cooks during several hours. They keep on adding the meat, the sauce, etc. Very fascinating.
Aaron, it's nice meeting you.
Yes, it was a pleasure.
Hopefully you have a good trip.
Yes, you too. You too. Alright, so that is the end of the tour. And now I think I'm going to hit up Damien because I was just checking my phone and he was hitting me up, so I need to call him back and see what the deal is. We might be doing something else tonight.
Hi, man.
What up with you, man?
Really fine, and you?
I'm doing all right. I'm just returning your call. I saw I missed it, and I was on a tour. So
Yeah? You enjoyed the win?
yeah, I had some wine and I had some food and just hanging out. That's all.
Yeah. Maybe we can meet tomorrow, no?
Yeah, just hit me up, man. I have nothing planned, so.
Okay.
So
Okay then. It sounds like a plan.
yeah, just hit me up tomorrow. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. In the morning, I drop you a message and you tell me what about.
All right. All right, man. Well, you have a good night. I'll talk to you later, man.
Okay. Have a good night, man. See you.
All right. Ciao, ciao.